bad, bro.
That roll back, that roll. He blocked that one. Oh. It feels late in the morning.
He did the work before he about to ride this. He had just broke a car.
Hell no, they didn't ride. Oh boy.
He did the work. I had his free 1,500 for a week. That nigga did that shit for free.
That bitch clean, bro.
Nigga, my battery stick up like that high.
That's my boy's booster right there. Well, my booster, but his booster too. But
Hey, what everybody else doing? About 5, 6 girls over there. Yeah, 5, 6 something. Yeah. They're going to the mansion tonight. They're going to the mansion. All they have to do is make a jump out.
Well, I slim out every day, boy. Yeah, gang shit, no lame shit. Boy, they kicking people out.
They said they closed at 8.
Yes, sir.
what time is it? What?
What the fuck we're doing? How does that bother you?
Fucking man, you speak out the way.
You gonna try to run a girl over because we riding.
Come on, man.
The fuck's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
We was in lane. You tried to run her over.
I'm not gonna get arguing with
The
you.
fuck is
Learn
wrong
to
with
fucking
you?
ride, man. That's why y'all motherfuckers getting killed out here.
Yeah,
Shut the fuck up.
God damn. Where's your bike at?
Don't worry about it.
Where's your bike
I got
at?
anything out. It don't matter where mine
Where's
at.
your bike
It's at the
at?
house.
Alright then.
It don't worry about where it's at.
If of course you in the truck.
It don't matter.
If somebody try to run you over, you gonna
Listen,
get just as
ride
bad.
your fucking ride, bro.
You drive like a fucking dumbass in a
You
truck.
driving for what?
In a
What's
truck.
combo?
You driving like a dumbass in a
Come
truck.
on, man. That's what's wrong with y'all boys out here.
Let me drive. How about that?
What's wrong with y'all? I ain't going no fucking where.
Nobody gives a fuck.
Oh, nigga, you shut up then.
You shut up there, bitch. Act tough.
I did all that run up.
Split goddamn lanes on fucking Skyward Road in traffic.
Well, my thing is, my thing is they ran up on you to do all that.
For what? I promise you, bro.
All y'all about to get popped. It ain't nothing.
Nigga, like I told him, he's doing the wrong damn thing. With his hand in his fucking pocket. What's good, man? You got the wrong fucking one.
They kicked it on last night. You know, they already kicked everybody in the house gas station. When they didn't let us get out, you know what I'm saying? Get out here from the place.
What that was? He left? Yeah.
Yeah, it's the business phone.
Damn, but that bitch was running though. You put that bitch back together tomorrow. Come on, let's go.
That bitch said more.
God damn.
Hey, my boy.